Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Informative Chica here. Yes, another video, another information about this precious metal gold. So, ang topic natin ngayon ay ang metal na gold. So, I have a pieces of gold here. So, papakita natin siya. Yung kinukuha ko sa likod. So, this is the precious metals gold. Okay, so let's talk about this metal gold. So, I have 18 karat golds. So, they are Italian 18 karat gold. So, ito yung chain na to. This is 18 karat gold. So, pag sinabi kasing 18 karat ay 75% of pure gold and other metal na inilalahok nila para maging 18 karat gold. Kasi yung 24 karat gold ay napaka ano siya, hindi siya matigas kasi pag pure 24 gold. So, this is rope 18 karat gold, rope chain at 18 karat gold. So I have also this a unisex 18 karat Italian gold na mayroon siyang stone na black. If I'm not mistaken, it is opal. No. I think hindi siya opal. I-search ko siya mamaya. So, and then I have with me another Italian 18 karat chain. Ito po siya. Sana makita nyo. Yes. And then meron din akong another stone. Ito, precious stone, pero ito ang pinaka-precious na stone, the diamonds. So, another topic po ang ating pag-uusapan about these two stones na to. But sa vlog na to, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang gold. Yan. So, meron din akong white gold. I have 18 karat white gold. Yan. With diamond. So, ito ang na-topic ko ngayon kasi napakasikat ngayon ang gold. Alam nyo naman na sa nangyaring war, lahat ng gold ay tumaas. Tumaas ang value ng gold. So, let's talk about, this first, white gold. So, yan po. This is a 18 karat Italian white gold. So, ang sabi po dito, a white gold, an alloy of gold, at least one white metal. So, ano ba ang inihalo sa 24 karat gold para maging white gold po siya? So, possible ang lagi po nilang hinahalo ay platinum. So, platinum is one of the precious metal also na ginagamit for jewelry, not also for jewelry, meron din at ibang pinagagamitan ang platinum. So, para maging white gold ang iyong gold ay nahaluan po ng platinum. Yun. And then, this one, this chain, this is an Italian 18 karat gold. So, ano naman ang natin dito ay gold. Let's talk about gold talaga. Gold is a chemical element. Its chemical symbol is Au. From Latin aurum. Aurum, yun. And atomic number is 79. So, Yes, another information about scientific name, numbers, yan, the Latin names, yan. So, ang number po ng gold is 79. So, in its pure form, it is a bright metallic yellow. So, as you can see, this is a bright metallic yellow. So, this is not a pure gold. Pure gold kasi it's 24 karat gold. So, this is just an 18 Italian karat gold. Yan. And then, soft, malleable, and ductile metal. So that is a gold. So chemically, gold is a transmission metal, a group 11 element, and one of the noble metals. It is one of the least reactive chemical elements, being the second lowest rank as even less reactive. So yan, gold is a solid under standard condition. So yan nga, kung nahahaluan na po sila, pero usually sa jewelry kasi guys, pinakamabili sa kanila ay ang 18 karat gold. So sila kasi kapag pure 24 karat gold kasi guys, ano na siya, mabilis lang siya masira, ganun. Kaya usually sa jewelry, ang ginagawa nila, it's 18 karat gold. So this is my collections sa sa 18 karat Italian gold. Yeah. I have also with me my white gold, 18 karat gold. So nandun pa yung iba, hindi ko na makita kanina kasi syempre just flexing some of my collections. Yon. So aside from that, syempre nagtaasan, and then at the same time I'm not using them. Just na bumibili lang ako for yun nga, just in case of need, emergency, meron tayong mahuhugot. Yan. Kasi syempre, kapag money kasi, if you go to bank, money, ganyan, so on so forth, pinili mo siya ng lupa, hindi mo rin siya mai-dispose agad. So, nagpunta sa akin na, why should I invest gold? Yun. Hindi natin siya madadala actually kung ano na. Pero, just in case of emergency, meron kang huhugutin kasi. So, yan. This is my collections. I'm not using them because basta we are not using them. I'm not using them. So yan po ang ating topic today. So another information, another knowledge about this precious metal, gold. So maraming salamat po. Kita-kita po muli tayo sa iba pang topic. Next time, itatopic ko po ang diamond. So, salamat po and kita-kita po muli tayo sa aking mga susunod pang vlogs. This is Informative Chika. Have a nice day and goodbye.